You have English name?
Arya.
What is your English name?
Arya. Arya.
Make it big, make it big.
Happy New Year!
Yeah, let's say we cheers. Cheers. You have the end.
Cheers!
Yes.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Yes.
Happy New Year!
Everybody.
Wow! Happy New Year! Wish you all the very best for 24.
You too. Everything is
hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! तो दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका आज के मेरे ब्लॉग में। मैं अपने मेरे बहुत अच्छे मेरे मित्र हैं यहाँ पे जिनका नाम है एंथनी वहाँ पे है और ये सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं। तो आज टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ रिजोल्यूशन वीडियो, सो स्टे ट्यून स्टार्टिंग विद सुपर ब्यूटीफुल क्लारा। Ladies and gentlemen, this is Clara.
My New Year's resolution.
Once again.
Okay.
So what is your resolution for 2024 and what was your resolution for 2023?
Okay. My New Year resolution for 2023 was to not have a boyfriend.
So दोस्तों,
Wait, no, you have to ask
this is not good for all the boys.
No, you have to ask if it worked, if she actually did the resolution.
1 second. What is your resolution?
For 2023?
24.
24, my turn. Oh, to lose weight. I mean, it's like to live a much more healthy life.
Guys, do you think she's overweight? Have a look. All right, brother.
To have more hair.
What?
To have more hair.
I think you need to let that go.
Also, my resolution.
Sorry.
My
No,
resolution.
I'm like him. I'm going to be like him soon. But anyway,
Yeah,
let's go check your resolution.
My resolution just to.
Okay.
My resolution is up.
Go ahead.
Down.
My resolution for this year, I hope I will be myself, everything.
Donna,
Yo,
first go introduce yourself.
My name is MTJ. Everyone know me by MTJ.
Okay.
Yeah. What's the question?
What is your resolution for 2024?
2024. I wanna be like, I wanna have a long-term relationship with my girlfriend. She's right there. I'm saying,
Which one? Show me.
yeah,
I
this
failed
one.
my 2023 resolution.
2024.
So दोस्तों ये है इनकी girlfriend और
So like, I wanna have like long-term relationship and get married like in the future.
all the best.
Alright, thank you, my nigga.
Clara. All right. My diehard brother.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man? I like you, bro.
Resolution 2024.
Okay, my resolution is to have a lot of money because I'm lacking money. So I need money. I need money. A lot of money.
Can you come here? And what was your resolution for 2023?
2023 was also to make money, but I didn't achieve it. So 24
Why?
is make more money.
Man, we will make money.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing.
Alright, तो दोस्तों बने रहिए. Okay guys, it's okay I'll film you guys.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Your resolution for 2024.
Oh fuck. My resolution? I want to finally have a place I can call my home.
You want to buy a house in China?
No, thank God, no.
Okay, why?
Because no.
Alright. तो दोस्तों ये है केट, ये है रशिया से. Alright. Happy New Year and all the best for your resolution, Kate.
Thank you.
Okay. आजा. आजा मोरक्को से हैं और ये यहाँ पे पढ़ाई कर रही हैं. तो चलिए इनसे बात करते हैं. आजा, what is your resolution for 2024?
Also, health, money, success. That's it.
Show me the money.
It will come. It will come. Trust me.
So guys, wish her luck to get a lot of money. Now we have Anna. Resolution 2024.
I'm sorry?
Resolution for 2024.
Money, love, wealth,
Alright,
and health.
fantastic. I wish you a lot of success for everything.
You too.
Thank you. And who is left? Elias.
Go to him.
इलियास मेरे बहुत ही करीबी मित्र हैं और ये हाना के बॉयफ्रेंड हैं. तो अभी अपन इलियास के साथ में बात करेंगे. So here we are, Elias.
Yeah, what's up?
So what is the resolution for 2024?
2024. First thing is health. Always. Everyone should have
All right.
health. Then money, of course. Everyone needs money, right?
Show me the money.
Show me the money.
Can I go there?
Yeah.
And then
And how was it 2023?
2023 was better than 2022, but 2024 will be much better.
Okay. तो ये है डॉक्टर जी है और ये जो बार है ये इसके जो ओनर है इज फ्रॉम ईरान एंड ही इज लाइक माय वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फ्रेंड एंड जेसन योर लेफ्ट ये है जेसन. So Jason, once again, your resolution for 2024?
I have no idea, man. Oh, hope everything gets better.
Money you already have.
Definitely.
So Jason is a big boss, a lot of money. He doesn't want money anymore. Okay, Jason, all the best.
Stay safe.
So stay tuned.